What's up, you guys? It's your girl Listen. Today I'm back with another video. This is a different type of video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I clean out my wax pot and get rid of wax to try new wax. So this is the Purple Seduction wax by Sexy Smooth Wax. I'm absolutely in awe of Sexy Smooth Wax, but today I'm cleaning out my pot to actually try the Tickled Pink wax. So you can see me pouring it into these cupcake silicone molds. These you can find off of Amazon, I believe, for $6 for a pack of 2. I had the heat all the way cranked up on my wax pot, so that way all the wax can melt down and go into the molds without it drying too quick. And of course, I made a mess because it's me. And also that pot is really hot, so be careful, you guys. Next, I'm going ahead and I'm cleaning the pot. And this takes a lot of paper towel work. So definitely, I use a lot of paper towel to soak up the rest of the wax residue that I have. Just trying to get as much as I can onto that napkin. Also, a quick trick. I spray alcohol. And I didn't put it in the video here, but you can also use some coconut oil. Rub a little bit into the pot, and what the oil does, it absorbs the wax for it to like clean off better. Now look at my pot, super and squeaky clean, right? Now this is me putting in the Tickle Pink wax to do a review for you guys. But you guys need to go and get the Tickle Pink wax because right now they have a 50% off sale for the holidays. So go ahead and grab that wax. I'm absolutely in awe of this wax, you guys. I can't stop talking about this wax. And also the color of this, guys, they're coming out with more colors and I am just in love with Sexy Smooth Wax. So go ahead and buy now.